This tutorial will guide you through assemble and installation of 6-stage reverse osmosis system. Prepare the elements of the set. 6-stage reverse osmosis system. Osmotic membrane, double ceramic faucet and mounting accessories, wrench to replace prefilters, connection to sewer system for wastewater discharge, water feed connection, quick connectors for reverse osmosis system, water tank, seal the connection between tank and valve with Teflon tape. Kit includes 6.5 meter hose for system installation and user manual. You may also replace standard mineralizer with our early young cartridge. System can use either single or double faucet. Prepare wrenches size 12, 13, 14, 16 and 24, drills 7 and 11 mm and screwdriver. In the place of planet faucet installation, for a single faucet, make one hole with 11 mm drill. For a double faucet, you will need 2 holes. Seal the screws with Teflon tape. Connector is installed between the flexible hose and the cold water valve. Make a hole in the sewer pipe with a 7 mm drill and mount outflow connection. Place the system in the cabinet and proceed to connect. Use the overlay to connect the feed water hose. Adjust length of the hose with a sharp knife and mount water supply. Remember to cut the hose straight at 90 degrees. Repeat the same with the wastewater outflow hose. Here the faucet is mounted above the second cabinet, which is why we had to make additional holes in the wall connecting the cabinets. Time for double faucet assemble. Remove protective film. Place the faucet in the holes. Put the nut and the barrel on the hose and put insert inside. Using the elements of the set and wrench 14 and 13, fix the faucet. Adjust the lengths of the faucet tubes and connect them to the system. Place the tank in the cabinet and connect it just like it is shown. Remember to keep additional hose lengths for easier service in the future. Now it's time for the first filling and flushing of the system. Open the tank valve and slowly fill the system, gently opening the water connection valve. Let it be half open. When water in the system stops making hissing sounds, fully open water connection valve. Water is now colored black because of flushing the carbon insert. Repeat the same with the second valve that supplies water from the mineralization cartridge. Water is colored white first, which is natural. Close and open the valve every few seconds until transparent liquid begins to flow from the faucet. Now close the supply valve and proceed to the faucet. Open the valves, reducing the pressure in the entire system so that you can unscrew housing of the membrane. This is important. Membrane can be installed only after the system flushing. Disconnect the tank for easy access. Disconnect water supply, as well as faucet. And the wastewater hoses. Place the system in the sink. Disconnect membrane housing and unscrew it. This should be done carefully because there's water inside. This is the moment when you can mount the membrane. Connect all system components again, fill it with water and repeat the venting, opening the supply valve to maximum. Tank valve should be open after venting the entire system with a faucet. And that's it. If you want to feel even safer, consider installation of anti-flood valve, which is not a part of the presented set. And that's how it's assembled. Mount the valve. Close water supply valve and reduce system pressure using a faucet same way as before. Disconnect the hose from the supply elbow and connect it to the bottom valve seat. Connect the next hose to the upper seat and adjust its length to connect it to supply elbow. Remember to secure every valve and elbow connection with blue clips. Now open supply valve, then tank valve. That's it. Enjoy the taste of spring water in your own home. UST-M 6-stage reverse osmosis system. Source of your water.